All right, that trusty old EJ. What's up guys, Ian here with MAPerformance. And lucky for you STI guys, finally, we got you. So today we're in our 2017 STI. And I just want to kind of go over some of our new tune and kit packages for this magnificent machine. So currently, as you can hear inside, right now we are set up with our Stage 2 kit. Very, very similar to our WX kit that we currently offer. So, of course, some of you guys are probably already running on our first revision of our Stage 1 tunes for the STIs. We finally got our own in-house developed intake and downpipes for the car, including our Stage 2 tune to go along with our hardware. So, as before, the purchase of an Accessport from us, you will receive our Stage 1 tunes. 91 and 93 octane are available. So those are included with the purchase of the Accessport. Now, for guys that want a little bit more oomph, with the purchase of our intake and downpipe, you'll get the Stage 2 tune. That'll be included with that as well. This car is also equipped with our optional catback. This will be an optional part for the Stage 2 kit, but you can also use the factory exhaust or any other aftermarket exhaust for that matter. If you wanted to use the stock exhaust, we will have the option to include a Grimspeed adapter, so everything will fit nicely. So, what are the differences? Obviously, intake and downpipe. Of course, these are made in-house by us. Beautiful welds, of course, you guys are familiar with our work. Lifetime warranty on all of the components. But big differences so far between Stage 1 and Stage 2, besides the noise, is the response. In stock form, these cars to me are kind of peaky. You know, you really got to wring them out to get all the power out of these things. With adding the intake on the downpipe, specifically the downpipe, just got instant boost. I mean, there's no lag in this thing at all. It's phenomenal. Feels super, super nice. Of course, it still pulls all the way to redline. So no issues there. But yeah, very, very broad power band versus how it was in stock form. I know a lot of you guys will ask, yes, the SI drive mode with our tunes are still fully functional. So Sport, Sharp, all that stuff is going to work just like it does on the factory tune. Now another question we get asked a lot, hey, since these are OTS tunes and it's not a custom Pro tune, is there any disadvantage or any long-term issues with reliability or longevity of the vehicle? The answer is no. Realistically, our tunes are pretty much darn near a Pro tune, but then we kind of dial things back so it's, you know, more conservative for the rest of the world. Previous numbers on our Stage 1 tune for 93 octane, we were seeing gains of around 280 to 290 wheel horsepower on our dyno jet, and torque was about 310, 317. With our Stage 2, the intake and downpipe, that's going to bring numbers to 330 wheel horsepower and around 340 torque. And this is the coolest part, I guess in my opinion. This is all with the stock fuel system. Stock fuel pump, stock fuel injectors. There's no need to upgrade those to be able to run these components. A lot of people are going to also ask, hey, can I run a Cobb intake with this tune? Or can I run Grimspeed intake or the Mishimoto? Same with the downpipes. As of right now, strictly going to keep our tune solely for our hard parts right now. All right, well, with that being said, let's go have some fun. Let's get you some sound clips, and I'm going to cruise around in this thing for a little bit, but then we'll get outside and do some different clips from there. Oops. For some reason, I can't do this gear shift at all. Alrighty.
God. It's a oh.
I hope you leave that in. All right, here we go. All right.